Hi, I've got another big update after my last freezer video. Two updates actually, both good news you're going to want to hear. So, it's back. That's right, the exact Hamilton Beach from my original Costco vids is officially back after mysteriously vanishing for months. If you haven't seen the last video, I'll link it at the end for how I liked it with a full feature review. And the rest of this Hamilton Beach update is coming up in just a couple minutes right here. But first, let's look at what has replaced it for now at Costco. It's a very similar unit with drawers, but it's also a convertible fridge freezer. It's auto defrost, it's got a reversible door, and it's got this really cool deluxe release handle. I must say this handle makes it really easy to open properly. So props to Hisense for that idea. The big one though is the auto defrost that comes with this unit. From the last videos, there were numerous comments and complaints that people really wished for auto defrost on the Hamilton Beach. Well, that wish has been granted in this new Hisense model. So one of my manager contacts at Costco says that sometimes Costco takes feedback from customers, returns, and then they build a better mousetrap, basically asking the manufacturer to go back and make some changes. So I find it interesting that this has been improved in the Hisense, and some other features is basically a better door, garage ready, and auto defrost. So those are the two questions that came up the most last time, is garage ready and auto defrost. But the Hisense is a little more money depending on sale prices. You should know that. But don't panic, because the original Hamilton Beach is still available, which leads me to the next big update. So guess what? The Hamilton Beach is back, but not at Costco. It's no longer exclusive to Costco because Home Depot has taken it over, it seems. They got the updated garage ready version too and kept the price the same. So it looks like it's exactly the same one from Costco. There is still no auto defrost on this one, but I've done it and it's very easy on this model. So if you'd like to see a video on defrosting, please drop me a comment and I'll put that together. You know, it's not always easy to find a Home Depot employee, but I did after a couple days walk and journey and search. And then the guy told me that this will be in stock for some time with no plans of discontinuing. But of course, we know that doesn't mean it's forever, right? So I took the time to check many zip codes around the country, and I see this fridge currently in stock almost everywhere or within a day's arrival. Most locations I checked have 2 or more ready right now for pickup. So there you have it. These are both great choices in a freezer around $400, but I would not wait. I love our Hamilton Beach, even though the Hisense has some more features. If you can't live without the auto defrost and you need that, as well as really like the idea of the convertible freezer fridge and the switchable door and the easy release door, then definitely get the Hisense. If you can, the Hamilton Beach is still awesome and cheaper. So pick one. It will be a nice addition for your family. Sometimes stuff goes out of stock suddenly and doesn't always come back. So I'd say if you want one, there's no time like now. Last time, if you remember from my other video, this disappeared right after the garage ready update came in and then suddenly out of stock. Weird. I don't get anything from Costco or Depot if you buy one, but these videos help my channel, so I'd appreciate a like and comment below. Oh, and here's the link I promised on the last video for my 1-year breakdown in entire experience with the Hamilton Beach freezer. So check that out, and thanks for watching.